Hello, culinary adventurers. Today, join me in a journey through the world of low-carb cooking. Get ready to explore the art of low-carb cuisine. Recipe 1. Cauliflower fried rice. Our low-carb adventure begins with a twist on a classic, cauliflower fried rice. Gather these ingredients. Cauliflower rice. Mixed vegetables, peas, carrots, and corn. Shrimp or chicken. Eggs. Soy sauce. Sesame oil. Garlic. Ginger. Let's dive into the world of flavorful, low-carb alternatives. Cooking instructions for cauliflower fried rice. Sauté garlic and ginger in a pan with sesame oil. Add shrimp or chicken and cook until browned. Stir in mixed vegetables and cauliflower rice. Push ingredients to the side, scramble eggs, and combine with the rest of the mixture. Season with soy sauce and enjoy your low-carb fried rice. Recipe 2. Zucchini noodles with pesto. Next up, let's spiralize our way to a delightful dish. Zucchini noodles with pesto. Gather these ingredients. Zucchini noodles. Cherry tomatoes. Fresh basil. Pine nuts. Parmesan cheese. Garlic. Olive oil. Salt and pepper. Prepare for a low-carb pasta alternative. Cooking instructions for zucchini noodles with pesto. Sauté cherry tomatoes in olive oil until they blister. In a food processor, blend fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic, and Parmesan cheese to make the pesto. Toss zucchini noodles in the pan with the blistered tomatoes. Coat the noodles with the freshly made pesto. Season with salt and pepper, and savor your guilt-free pasta. Recipe 3. Avocado and bacon stuffed chicken. Let's elevate our low-carb game with a protein-packed delight. Avocado and bacon stuffed chicken. Gather these ingredients. Chicken breasts. Avocado. Bacon strips. Cream cheese. Garlic powder. Paprika. Salt and pepper. Get ready for a mouth-watering, low-carb feast. Cooking instructions for avocado and bacon stuffed chicken. Cut a pocket in each chicken breast. Stuff the pockets with slices of avocado and cream cheese. Wrap each chicken breast with bacon strips. Season with garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Bake until the chicken is cooked through and the bacon is crispy. Recipe 4. Eggplant lasagna. Let's reimagine a classic Italian dish with a low-carb twist. Eggplant lasagna. Gather these ingredients. Eggplant slices. Ground beef or turkey. Marinara sauce, low-carb. Ricotta cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Parmesan cheese. Italian seasoning. Prepare for a hearty, low-carb lasagna experience. Cooking instructions for eggplant lasagna. Grill or roast eggplant slices until tender. In a pan, brown ground beef or turkey and season with Italian seasoning. Layer eggplant slices, marinara sauce, ricotta, and mozzarella in a baking dish. Repeat the layers and top with Parmesan cheese. Bake until bubbly and golden, and enjoy your carb-friendly lasagna. Recipe 5. Grilled salmon with lemon butter sauce. For a healthy and flavorful protein source, let's cook up grilled salmon with lemon butter sauce. Gather these ingredients. Salmon fillets. Lemon. Butter. Garlic. Fresh dill. Salt and pepper. Get ready for a low-carb seafood sensation. Cooking instructions for grilled salmon with lemon butter sauce. Season salmon fillets with salt, pepper, and fresh dill. Grill the salmon until cooked to your liking. In a pan, melt butter and sauté minced garlic until fragrant. Squeeze in fresh lemon juice and pour the lemon butter sauce over the grilled salmon. Serve and enjoy your light and flavorful low-carb meal. And there you have it. 5 delectable, low-carb recipes to satisfy your cravings while keeping it carb-conscious. Whether you're following a specific diet or simply looking for tasty alternatives, these dishes will elevate your low-carb culinary experience. If you enjoyed this culinary expedition of creating low-carb delights with me today, stay tuned for more delicious recipes and cooking inspirations. Until next time, may your kitchen be filled with the aroma of culinary excellence and the joy of exploring new flavors.